Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video of color series nail art. So from my video title you can already guess my today's color theme. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. I have already applied base coat and now I am applying a beach polish on my middle fingernail. My base polish is fully dried now. So I am drawing a sunflower here with help of acrylic paints. For flower petals, I use yellow acrylic paint, and for detailing the petals, I mixed yellow ochre color and orange color with yellow acrylic paints. Those who don't know what is yellow ochre color, let me tell you that yellow ochre is a dark and bright tone of a peanut butter color. I think so. Now I am going to fill up center part of the flower using a brown polish. I would suggest you to fill up the center point using dotticure method. I really wanted to fill up the center point using dotticure method, but suddenly lots of bugs were annoying me and I messed up with everything. I draw sunflower with 0 number painting brush, and this brush is from brand Camel. On my index and ring fingernail I have applied 2 coats of a light yellow nail polish, and on top of yellow nail polish I am applying a glitter top coat. Later I realized that this plate pattern would look more beautiful without glitter topper under it. That's why I did it again without glitter topper under it, and I really like the second attempt. On my index fingernail I have added rhinestones and beads off camera. I have another video on how to place rhinestones. You can check out that one if you want to know how to place rhinestones on nail. On my pinky I have applied 2 different types of brown nail polish which looks like a goldish brown nail polish. And here I am finishing my mani with a glossy top coat. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.